Biswap Metaverse presents Multi-Type Referral Program. Earn up to 20% without investment by simply inviting your friends with unique referral program. Capture all features to maximize your income with Swaps Commission. Earn up to 20% from your friend's Swaps Commission. Farms. Gain 5% of your friend's earnings. BSW Launchpool. Receive a 5% from your referral's earnings. Lottery. Obtain 2% from each purchase ticket. Squid NFT World. Gain 3% from every friend's win. Let's explore the features of each one. Earn up to 20% commission reward every time your friends make a swap on Biswap DEX. The more BSW tokens you stake in the BSW holder pool, the higher rate of profit you get. Get 5% passive income via your friends' gains. Receive 5% in BSW reward every time your friends harvest their income on farms. Start earning 5% in BSW reward of your referral friends' earnings in BSW Launchpool. Acquire 2% of your friends' lottery ticket purchases straight to your referral balance. Every time your referral friends buy a lottery ticket, you profit. Invite your friends to the Squid NFT World and earn crypto together. Earn 3% from every win of your referral. Become a referrer by following this easy steps. 1. Get referral link. 2. Invite friends. 3. Earn crypto. Share your gains with friends via Biswap profit sharing. Invite friends to join Biswap Referral Program and earn up to 20% crypto rewards together.